Nature provides us a place to exist, a place to breathe, a place to feel alive. It's our moral obligation to preserve this environment. Hence, as the leading slab manufacturing company in the country, it's our duty to innovate products that do not harm the nature and gives a feel exactly like that of marble. Presenting Quartzite. We undertook sincere research to develop quartzite that restores the finish, aura, and essence exactly like that of marble. Along with quartzite being eco-friendly, it's about 15 millimeters thick, same as that of marble, and 1200 by 1600 dimensions, exactly like that of marble. Similarly, like marble, quartzite is fire-resistant, waterproof, and scratch-resistant. Quartzite is available in multiple artistic designs, curated personally by our highly experienced team. Choose quartzite. Save nature.